So we are doing the first Hip Chicks house call of the year, and it is with my dear neighbor, Jerry. I am so excited. Jerry and I and another friend are going to tackle a laundry room renovation. So Jerry, what do you want to get done in this room?
So I want to open up the foyer area where you come in the side door.
Okay.
And we have to prep it for the cabinetry that's being constructed as we speak.
Right, so you're having that custom built.
Yes,
Okay.
floor to ceiling. On this side, there's going to be a drying rack. There's going to be a folding table. And then on this side, cabinets over top of the washer dryer. And then cabinets over here. We have to remove this sink because Eli, the cabinet maker, is also going to put a smaller sink and all the cabinetry.
Awesome.
So we want to have an open feel. We're going to redo the floor, and we're going to take out this doorway.
Awesome. Awesome.
I need it for organization.
To be organized?
I do. And I've kind of put it off for a while, but then Eli called me and said, "Judy, your cabinets are ready. Let's go." I was like,
so she calls
okay.
me. So she calls me and says, I got to prep this room. Can you help? And I said, hell yeah. So we are here. We've got the tools. We've got the girl power. And we are going to flip this flip this laundry room so that Eli can just walk right in, mount these cabinets, and it's going to be gorgeous. We're talking about adding some rich, darker greens on the wall because this Irish chick loves green just as much as I do. So we're going to add some green element. We are going to rip this section out. I'm going to show you a really cool hack how to get rid of tile neatly with a lot less mess and stress. So this room is just going to frickin' pop, and we are going to have a good time. So girl power, we got this.
I love it. Thank you so much, Beth. Love you.